Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lopez would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 5th question. Alright, now let's read the question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A bracket 1 comma minus 5 and B bracket minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Alright, so it's literally easy. Okay guys, so now since you guys know, I'm going to draw the line segment for a better understanding. Okay, alright, so here this is going to be your line segment. Okay, so this, let us name this line segment, that is A and B. Okay, so here since we have 2 points already, they have mentioned A and B, so let us write the numbers, that is 1 comma minus 5, and here also it is minus 4 comma 5. Okay, so we are supposed to find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. So what is the meaning of that x-axis? So here if I just divide this line segment by this particular point, then if I just name this point as P, okay, so this P has 2 coordinates, that is, for example, this P has 2 coordinates, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. We call it as x-axis and y-axis, isn't it? So here this line segment is divided by the x-axis, so let us write x and then comma, they didn't mention any information about y. So since they didn't mention anything about y, we are going to take it as 0. Okay, so whenever you don't have information about a particular value, take it as a 0. Okay, alright, so now we are supposed to find the ratio. That is the important point here. Since I am supposed to find the ratio, I am going to take m1 as k and m2 as 1. Okay, so it is we can just take k is to 1. So let us take let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay, later when we'll solve, now we'll get to know the ratio. Okay, alright, so now let us apply the section formula. Alright, so now let us apply the section formula. Okay, so according to the section formula, P bracket, so the coordinates we just took it as x comma 0 is equal to the section formula as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula. Okay, so now since we have m1 and x2, those stuffs and all, here we should know the x2 value, x1 value, those things, in isn't it? So I'm gonna take this as x1 and this one as y1, and here this one as x2 and this one as y2. Okay, that is the reason we have 2 values right over here. Okay, so now let us substitute the values. First let's write P x comma 0 as it is equal to m1 value is k into x2 value is minus 4 and then plus m2 value is 1 into x1 value is 1 and then divided by m1 value is k and then plus m2 value is 1 comma, and here m1 value is k into y2 value is 5 and plus m2 value is 1 into y1 value is minus 5 and m1 plus m2. So here the m1 value is k and plus m2 value is 1. Alright, so now let us multiply them. So P x comma 0 is equal to k into minus 4 is minus 4k and then plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by k plus 1 comma, so k into 5 is 5k plus no need to write plus y because 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 and minus 5, so plus and minus is minus, so it will come minus 5. So divide by k plus 1. So now so here when you just look at it carefully, I can actually write x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 like this. I can actually do it like this, isn't it? But since we have a variable, it is going to be very hard to solve this problem. Okay, so just because to make it easy, I'm going to take 0. Okay, so I'm not going to take x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. I'm going to take 0 is equal to 5k minus 5 is equal to k plus 1. Okay, so let's do cross multiply. When I just do cross multiply, of course 0 into k is 0. So 0 into 1 is, of course, it is 0. Since it is a 0, I am going to write is equal to, once again I will write here, is equal to, we have 5k minus 5, isn't it? So okay, so now since I have like something like this, I am going to get this minus 5 to this side. So when I get it to this side, it changes into plus 5 and then is equal to 5k. Alright, so now what we can do, now we can get this 5 to this side. When I get it to this side, changes into division. Okay, so now we can actually cancel it. So cancel. So when I cancel it, I'll get 1. So k is equal to 1, isn't it? Alright. So guys, I got the k value as 1. So now what are we supposed to do? Okay guys, so since we got the ratio, that is k is equal to 1. So let me just once again. Okay, so when you just look at the first one, so here when you just look at it, so we just took m1 as k and m2 as 1, isn't it? So now we know the k value, that is 1. So we can just say the ratio is 1:1. Okay, so here 1 and here 1. It is dividing like this. That is 1:1. So this is going to be a ratio. Okay, so since it is now according to the question, we are supposed to find the ratio. So now we found it. Okay, but we are supposed to find the coordinates as well. So coordinate of the point of division. So this point is dividing the line segment, isn't it? So we are supposed to find the coordinate of P. But we took it as x comma 0. So now we are supposed to find the value for them. Okay, how to find it? So since they are in the midpoint, I can actually apply midpoint formula. Okay, so what is the midpoint formula? I know so this is the first time you are applying that formula, right? Okay guys, so now since we are going to apply midpoint formula, let us apply it. So x comma y, we are finding the coordinates for P. Okay, that is x comma y is equal to midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Since it is in mid, no, I am applying midpoint formula. Okay, alright. So now what I can do is, now I can write P x comma y is equal to, so x1 value I just told you, we are going to be doing the same values. Okay, so here x1 is 1, like y1 is 5 minus y. So let us apply it. Okay, once again. Okay, so now bracket x1 is 1 and plus x2 is minus 4 divided by 2 comma y1 is minus 5 plus y2 is 5 divided by 2. Okay, and then bracket p x comma y is equal to, so 1 plus plus into minus is minus, so minus 4 divided by 2 comma plus and minus is minus, when we just subtract it we will get 0 divided by 2. P x comma y is equal to, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so it's going to be minus 3, isn't it? And then divide by 2 comma 0 divided by 2, of course it will be 0, isn't it? So 0. Okay, so likewise we got like this value. So what is the coordinates of P? So the coordinates for P is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay, so this is our answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.